Hi guys, it's 1 a.m. and Ramadan offer nino. Jollibee has their Ramadan offer that we grabbed. This is all for 14 dirhams. 4 dirhams. But we paid 27 including delivery fee. So technically 27 dirhams lang. But it's still a lot. So first is the drink. This is 1 liter Coke. Wow, 1 liter. And then not one but 2 peach mango pie. And then this is french fries. 2 french fries. And then 4 burgers, guys. You have to choose Jolly Burger or their chicken burger. So we chose 3 chicken burgers and 1 Jolly Burger. Ta-da! So see, all of this for just 27 dirhams. Very solid. So their sandwich look like this. And the Jolly Burger look like this. Looks like this. So, happy eating! Bida ang saya. We'll try first the peach mango pie. First bite, bestie. Let's try the chicken burger. So gorgeous, guys. You have the mayo, lettuce, chicken, and bun. Looks so crispy. So let's go.
Pilit pa lang ko ang fries.
It's the classic Chicken Joy seasoning in a burger patty. Oh my gosh.
Mag-coke pa.
This is so yummy. OMG. Then we'll try their fries. It's soggy, but it's okay. I like soggy fries also. 10 out of 10, guys.